Add links to Instagram stories. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add to Story. In here, simply to add links, click on sticker option on top. Then you'll find link option beside hashtag. Simply click on link and paste the link you have copied, which you want to add to your story. Then click on done. As you can see, link has been added. Simply add your story and people will be able to go to the links you have pasted in here. Simply click on the link and it will guide you to the link. This is how to add links to Instagram stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.